All right, folks, welcome to the channel once again. Today we are going to be unboxing the Apple MacBook Pro. It's not the base MacBook, however, it's the Pro, the M1 Pro. That's what we got. So, yeah, I went to the Apple store to get it, and that was the last 14-inch that I was able to acquire today. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. All right, guys, so this is my old MacBook. This is the 2015 version. Yeah, the keyboard went out on me. The touchpad also went out on me, so there's no way I can log in unless I use a external keyboard to log in. So yeah, let's go to the unboxing. All right, so let's get this 2015 version off the table. As you can see, this is the 2015 version. The reason why I chose this kind of laptop is because I'm familiar with, the 2015 version rather than the new one, rather than the M1. The M1 really wasn't enticing to me, although this is really expensive, and it cost I think on the Apple website, let's go to the Apple website. So on the Apple website, it cost almost $2,000 for the one that I got. So yeah, yep. So it says on the Apple website, yep, it's like $19.99 for the 14-inch, and then the 16-inch cost $24.99. Well, I don't need a 16-inch; it's too big. So basically, I got the MacBook Pro 14-inch. So I got, well, it comes with a 16 GB unified memory and also 512 GB SSD. So my old laptop is 256, which is not bad. So let's do the unboxing. So what we gotta do is peel the top like this. Ooh, sorry about that. Let's peel it out. I'm just using one hand to record, that's why. I left the tripod in my car, so, and I'm not willing to go out in the cold and get it, so. Alright. So let's get it out of the way. Alright, so are you guys ready to see? Okay, let's get it. Well, it's kind of hard when you're using just one hand to unbox this. But yeah, we got it done. So in the case, there's nothing. It's just a regular, case. All right, so when you unbox it, this is what you get right from the get-go. And then let's take it out. I think I should have turned it this way. Well, turn it this way. So let's take the laptop out right from the get-go. Nice case. I like that. Let's see what it comes in here. So, all right, we have this charger. I believe this is the 68 kilowatts. No, 67. Yeah, you can't see that much, but there's the 67 kilowatts. Well, I might not need this because I got the big and powerful one. For the old one, well, that one is 60. I think I got another one. All right, so I bought me a bigger one some time ago. This one is the 85, watts. So I'll be using this mostly rather than the original one because, I mean, why not? So let's put it on the side. So I guess that's all it comes with in the box. Yep, I like the cable. It's very, very nice. Yeah, it's not one of these ones which look so ugly. These are really nice to me. That's just my opinion. All right, so let's put the box back on. All right. Let's get it out of the way. Oh yeah, not to mention my old laptop. I've used it for about pretty much seven years. So it's done its job. So this will also go for the next 10 years also. Yep, pretty much. All right, so let's peel this thing off. So what I'm gonna do is save this thing. So yeah. All right. So I'm gonna save this. I always save, my laptop cases, box, everything. Just in case. You never know. So I always do save them for the future. If one day I want to sell it. But I know I'm not selling this, so because my old laptop is messed up, so yeah. Put it out of the way. So right from the get-go. I love this new print of MacBook Pro on the case. I really love it. I just love the way the case looks like. All right. So comes with the SD card, the Thunderbolt, I think is the Thunderbolt, and then the HDMI on the right side. And then on the left, it comes with the headphone jack, 2 Thunderbolt plugs, and the actual charging plug. So that's pretty much good. Now let's see if the old plug will fit. Well, we have an issue over here. I guess it wouldn't fit. So that brings it to the point where I need to go back in the box and get the plug that comes with it. So the old MacBook plug won't fit. It won't work. So basically, yeah, it will not work. So I got to use the original plug with it. All right. Not too bad. Not too shabby. We'll make it happen. All right. So we got the original power cable to go to the side. Let's see. Ooh, it's charging, guys. It's charging. Okie dokie. So, next, let's boot it up. So as soon as you lift up the lid, screen, it just turn up. Oh, nice. So next, I need to order like a screen protector and some couple of stuff. I'm not gonna order like me a case or something because I don't like laptop cases. Hola, that's nice. Pretty much. Wow. I love the smoothness of the body. Wow. Okay, let's go ahead and sign in. Of course, I'm not in Afghanistan. It's the United States. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. I don't need to do any of these. All right, let me get my Wi-Fi password in. Yeah, the keyboard is definitely legit compared to the old one. I like the keyboard and how it feels. So, from Mac, Time Machine, Backup, Startup Disk. Okay, let's see. Do I really want to migrate that stuff or just copy it? I think I don't want to migrate any crap from my old computer onto my new one. So I'm going to just keep, I'll just say, I'll just say not now. Let me see what it would do. Okay, so it's looking for other sources. It says when transferring from another Mac, open the migration assistant in the utility folder and okay. All right, let's go back. Let me go find me a keyboard and we'll see what we can do with this. All right, guys, so I think that brings to the end of this video, and I really love this computer. Can't wait to install all my programs on it, especially the Word, Office 365 for the Mac. So yeah, guys, if you guys need anything, let me know. And that's all I got. All right, see you on the next segment. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll answer you by video, or I'll answer you in the questions box. So let me know when you need, if you want to know anything about the new MacBook Pro. All right, guys, see you later.